Hello there, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be super fun. We are renovating our guest bathroom. If you're new there, hey, hello, my name is Janetta, and over the past couple of years my husband and I have been turning this house into a home. We're finally moving upstairs and renovating areas that really need it, and this guest bathroom was the number one on my list. Earlier this year, we got a contractor and we tackled this bathroom renovation, which is a lot more intense than all of the other areas that we redecorated or renovated, just the two of us. So I cannot wait to show you the progress. We're also going to decorate in this video as well. I just figured, why not make everything into one big video? So definitely stick along if you love house videos, interior design videos. I love them, so I hope you do too. Let me show you what this terrible bathroom looks like, and I'll walk you through the progress of what it looks like today. As you can see, this bathroom was in need for some real TLC. Everything besides the countertops were original to the house in the 80s, so we needed a complete overhaul to make it feel a bit more current and fresh. While we didn't want to change the layout, we wanted to ensure that the room was more functional and felt less cramped. Let me show you our inspiration for this bathroom. Overall, my husband and I wanted a neutral and timeless bathroom, something that would grow with our family rather than leaning too modern or too trendy, opting for white and wood tones that would match the rest of our home. For the shower tile, we opted for a white artesian ceramic tile and a porcelain floor tile with warm and cool veining. We went with a 60-inch soaker tub so that you can actually comfortably take a bath. And while my heart wanted gold or brass fixtures, I compromised with black since that wasn't my husband's vibe. To tie the home together, I wanted to incorporate greens and artworks within the decoration. Once the vibe was put together, the contractors got right to work, demolishing the entire room within a day. I was quite literally shocked once I opened the door to find everything removed down to the studs. Now it's time to decorate, and I picked up 3 options from HomeGoods. They all incorporate flowers because I kind of want this room to be like a reflection of how I would decorate the rest of the house. I love the tulle or toile or whatever, however you pronounce it. I think this was really cute, and I also love the texture. I love this one. And I also love this one as well. I think they can all work and they can all be interchanged in here, but I'm really loving either, I don't know, I love all of them with the elements of this bathroom. The green, the blue with the woods and everything. The bathroom definitely skews, I guess, a little modern with the black fixtures, but I went with black fixtures with like classical touches to it. So the only thing in here that's super modern really is the shower head and the shower nozzle. The light is definitely a little bit more modern than I would prefer, but we couldn't find another light that was just pure black. So we might change this out in the future, but for now, I think it's totally fine. I'm going to reuse the previous elements that I had in this bathroom before. This is just a tissue box. It's made out of like a wood thingy. The tissues go on the bottom. So I definitely want to put that up here. And then I have this green little container, and it has Q-tips and cotton balls, so whenever we need one of those, that's in here as well. Okay, this is the art piece that I had in here previously. It's just a plain like art frame, and I got this from, I think, Hobby Lobby. Yeah, Hobby Lobby on sale, and I think it's just very simple. Okay, it's super pretty when you unwrap it. It's just like this. Oh, I really like it. I think this will look cute in here. Oh, I love it. Awesome. And then I bought a clear shower liner. We have just black little shower, what are they called? Shower hooks. I think this is gonna look very good. Hopefully it looks as good as I'm envisioning. Hopefully this doesn't fall. We just put all of the hooks on the thingy. My arms are on fire. Ugh. I'm literally going to cry. Okay. Oh, okay. Wrong way, wrong way. Help. Husband. My husband left. Okay. Obviously, again, would look better if I ironed it, but I'm not taking that down right now. I'm not. But I got this little wicker basket from Target. It is the Bright Room brand. I actually didn't get this to go above the toilet. I got it for somewhere else in the house, and I didn't actually use it. Like that, perfect. Like, see how perfect that looks? And I love the wicker because it just adds some warmth here. But we have our air freshener, like that. Butt wipes. This is one of those like essential oil reed diffusers. This one is the sandalwood, wood cedar, and amber. This literally smells like a bougie hotel. It smells so good. So I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, a little hack I do have for art prints to protect your wall. Get these little silicone thingies. You can get them from any framing store or a craft store, and they just save your walls. And it adds like a little buffer. I found these really cute towels at Target. They have like this type of pattern on it. This is the Threshold Performance Plus bath towel. We have that, and then I just got this dark green hand towel that went with the bigger towel. What do you think? I think the bathroom turned out really good. It feels really cozy, timeless, classic with a hint of modern, which is what we were looking for. I think this will grow with our family for years to come. Of course, I'll probably make a few updates as we go on, but overall I have been enjoying the bathroom. I think it's so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you have a question for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!